a manner.
Ah!
Do you know how long I spent scouring the forest for your little head last night? You're never to remove this ring. Understood?
Nachi! Look at my ring!
Hey! That's Granny to you.
Okay.
Don't forget I've asked you to go gather the pillar materials. The stones that repel mana are only found around here. Only a Manania can help me with this. So I'm counting on you. The stones shine red when you see them. Go out there and gather as many as you can find.
Okay. Leave it to me, Granny!
Phew. Well, I'm glad I was able to use the Missy's pebble to replace Perico's ring. But the stone is a perfect match for the one that went missing. Seems like fate to me. I'm quite tired. But the first snow is already here. We're running out of time, aren't we? 9 total. Hopefully we'll get everything done before that day comes. But... I'm not getting any younger. Well, at least I can use my condition as an excuse to send them away while I work on what I need to do. I may not last to see the end of the discordance. Huh? Oh, don't worry. I'm just joking around. We've come this far. Just 2 more left. I'll be sure to make it through.
Okay. Let's see, where can we go from here? Not that way.
Let's take care
I
of
should have
this
tackled
quick.
them actually, now that I think about it.
This'll do. Ha! Yeah!